Your phone buzzes with a nasty comment on X. A coworker's sneaky email blames you for their mess. A family member's guilt trip weighs you down. Toxic people, complainers, manipulators, drama starters don't just bug you, they drain your energy, fog your mind, and dim your spark. But what if their mess could make you stronger? I've been there, crushed by a friend's betrayal, worn out by endless demands. A Stoicism Mindset pulled me through. Today, I'm sharing 13 Stoicism Mindset hacks tested by 7 real people: Roka, Sila, Elliot, Savannah, Tristan, Delphine, and Jasper, to beat toxic people and stay calm chaos. This isn't just Stoic philosophy. It's your plan to live with peace and power. Ready to build your Stoic reign? Let's start now. Hack 1. Call out their trick. Toxic moves like guilt trips or snarky jabs lose power when you name them. Stoic quotes from Epictetus say, "It's not things that upset us, but how we see them." Roka, a 32-year-old coder in Tokyo, was hit hard by a coworker's sly put-downs. "I couldn't focus," she said. Naming it jealousy cleared her head, and she built an app that went viral. Try this. Spot one toxic move today, like whining, and silently call it out. Manipulation, maybe. Write it down. Did you feel sharper? Do this daily for a week to boost mental health. Share your win with #StoicReign to inspire others. Hack 2. Set a clear boundary. Stoicism practice means protecting your space. Seneca said, "Calm takes away trouble's strength." Sila, a 29-year-old designer in Cape Town, was swamped by a client's nonstop demands. "I was falling apart," she admitted, saying, "I'll reply tomorrow." Saved her energy, and her designs got huge praise. Today, pick one boundary: no phone after 7 p.m. or no work chats on weekends. Right? Did you feel free? Keep it up daily for self-improvement. Your peace matters. Hack 3. Shut down their drama. Marcus Aurelius taught, "You don't have to have an opinion." Elliot, a 34-year-old programmer in Seattle, dealt with a client's fake emergencies. "They messed up my day," he said, replying, "Okay, let him finish a big project." When someone tries to pull you in, a rant or a jab, say, "Got it," and move on. Journal. Did their noise fade? Try this weekly to grow mindfulness. Stoicism for beginners starts with staying cool. Hack 4. Stick to your word. Stoicism lessons say, hold your ground. Epictetus said, "Stay with your choice." Savannah, a 28-year-old artist in Austin, faced a pushy coworker. "They didn't listen," she said, repeating, "I'll check later." Got her respect, and her art sold out. Pick one thing to stand by today, like, "I'm busy now," and say it calmly. Right? Did they stop pushing? Do this for 5 days to build a strong Stoicism mindset. It's your power. Hack 5. Dodge their bait. Seneca said, "Choose not to feel hurt, and you won't." Tristan, a 31-year-old engineer in Melbourne, got mad at a teammate's ego trip. "I almost lost it," he said. Ignoring the dig and fixing a solar panel kept him on top. See a toxic move, sarcasm, or a guilt trip. Call it bait in your head. Say, "I'll think about it," and walk away. Right? What did you skip? Do this daily for Stoicism motivation. Stoicism for women means owning your space. Hack 6. Use silence. Stoic quotes from Epictetus saying, "Silence comes from pain's lessons." Delphine, a 36-year-old nutritionist in Paris, faced a client's angry outburst. "I wanted to fight back," she said. Staying quiet and sharing a healthy recipe online grew her fans. In a fight, take a deep breath, count to 10, stay silent. Right. Did their drama stop? Try 3 times a week for reduce anxiety. Silence is your strength. Hack 7. Limit their time. Marcus Aurelius said, "Don't do what's wrong. Jasper, a 33-year-old tech manager in Berlin, was stressed by family demands. "I felt stuck," he said. Cutting calls to once a week gave him focus, and his team won awards. Today, cut one toxic person's access, shorten a call to 10 minutes, or mute their texts. Right? How much energy did you save? Do this weekly for productivity. Stoicism daily means guarding your time. Hack 8. Find your people. Stoicism. Relationships thrive with good friends. Seneca said, "Your mind takes on the color of your friends." Roka felt alone until she joined a coding group in Tokyo. "They lifted me up," she said, and her work soared. Text one positive person today, a friend or coworker who inspires you. Right? How did they help? Do this daily to spark motivation. Tag your people with # Stoic Rain. We're building a community. Hack 9. Recharge yourself. Stoicism exercises keep your energy high. Seneca said, "Go back to yourself." Sila's client fights left her empty. "I had nothing left," she said. A 10-minute walk each day brought her ideas back. Pick one thing today. Breathe deeply for 5 minutes, walk, or write what you're grateful for. Right? How did it feel? Do this daily for Stoicism for beginners. Your spark is your power. Hack 10. Let go of their blame. Epictetus said, "We hurt because of what we think." Elliot felt bad when a client criticized him. "I doubted myself," he said, thinking that's their problem. Helped him win a huge deal. When someone's mean, tell yourself it's their issue, not yours. Right. Did you feel lighter? Do this daily for mental health. Stoicism practice builds your confidence. Hack 11. Stop trying to fix them. Seneca said, "Don't try to fix what can't be fixed." Savannah spent hours calming a coworker's complaints. "It wore me out," she said. Focusing on her art got her a gallery show. Today, skip helping one toxic person and work on your goals. Right. What did you gain? Do this weekly for self-improvement. Stoicism Mindset keeps you focused. Hack 12. Plan to leave. Epictetus said, "If it's not right, don't stay." Tristan's toxic team dragged him down. "I felt trapped," he said. Looking for a new job got him a better one. Take one step today, update your resume, or say no to a bad meetup. Right. What did you do? Start now for Stoicism motivation. Stoicism on love means loving yourself first. Hack 13. Forgive for you. Seneca said, "Forgive because you deserve peace." Delphine was mad about an online hater's words. "It held me back," she said. Writing, "I let this go for me," freed her to share her best tips. Forgive one toxic thing today, right? I'm done with this. Right. Did you feel calm? Do this daily for reduce anxiety. Stoicism daily sets you free. These 13 Stoicism mindset hacks changed Roka, Sila, Elliot, Savannah, Tristan, Delphine, and Jasper. Roka's apps shine, Sila's designs amaze, Elliot's deals grow, Savannah's art sells, Tristan's projects win, Delphine's tips inspire, and Jasper's team thrives. I used these too, leaving that toxic friend, setting boundaries, forgiving for my peace. Now it's your turn. Start today. Name one toxic trick and write it down. Feel your strength. To stay strong noise, ex-haters, work stress, family fights, use this Stoicism. Daily plan. Every morning, write one toxic move you'll spot. At lunch, take 3 breaths to check your boundaries. At night, write one win, like ignoring a jab. Each week, pick your best hack and share it with #Stoic Rain. I'm reading every story. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stoic Rain, for Stoic quotes, Stoicism lessons, and tips to boost productivity and mindfulness. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community to live stronger every day. You're not their drama, you're your calm. Marcus Aurelius said, Your mind is your power. Take it back. See you in the comments, Stoics.